Hello everyone and welcome to Flavorful Cooking. Today I'll be showing you how to make Mong Masoor mixed dal, which is yellow lentil soup. For this recipe you would need 1 cup of Masoor dal, half a cup of Mong Daal, 1 medium green chili, 6 cloves of garlic, 4 for the dal, and 2 for the tarka, half an inch piece of ginger, half an onion, and half a tomato, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1½ teaspoon coriander powder, and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 6 to 7 cups of water, 1½ teaspoon of oil. For tarka you would need 2 to 3 garlic cloves cut into slices, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 2 to 3 whole chili peppers. To garnish, you would need green chili and cilantro. In a food processor, grind tomatoes, onions, green chilies, garlic, and ginger. In a pressure cooker, add lentils, water, the ginger, garlic, onion, tomato, and green chili paste, and all the spices: salt, chili powder, coriander powder, and turmeric powder. Mix everything together. Close the pressure cooker and cook. Cook on medium to high heat. When the pressure comes, leave for 8 to 10 minutes on medium-high heat until the lentils are fully cooked and mixed. The dal is now ready. The next step is to make the tarka. To make tarka in a pan, add oil or butter or both, garlic, cumin, and whole peppercorn. Cook for 30 seconds or until garlic is golden on the edges. Then immediately pour over the dal. Then garnish with green chilies and cilantro. Served with boiled rice, naan, or roti. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.